So what's it like?
Hey guys, welcome back to ASHTOBERFEST. Today's video is going to be on Pizzazz from Gem and the Holograms. This video is actually going to be a voiceover because of all the painting of the face and covering of the brows. It was a lot of me being like, okay, next I'm gonna cover my brow, and then it's me covering my brow for like 30 minutes. So I decided to do a voiceover for this one. Hope you guys still enjoy it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and enter the giveaway for today. I will leave the instructions on how to enter down below. If you're new here, ASHTOBERFEST is my Halloween series where I upload every other day in the month of October, and I upload a new Halloween tutorial every other day. So today I'm doing Pizzazz. I'm going to show you guys how I did my wig, my makeup, and full costume. So head over to Instagram to see photos and to enter the giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway with every post that I do. Again, check the description box for how to enter. I'm also going to leave the ASHTOBERFEST 4 merch link down below in case you guys haven't checked it out yet. I think that's pretty much it for this intro. I really hope you guys enjoy, and welcome to ASHTOBERFEST. Okay, so starting off, I need to cover just the tail of my brows. I'm going to be using the same old trick with the Elmer's washable glue stick in purple, and I'm just going to be covering the tail of my brow. I don't think I've ever just covered the tail of my brow, so this was new for me, but it was pretty simple. For this one, I'm just using the same technique, going over this a couple times with a glue stick and letting it dry, covering it with some Ben Nye Neutral Set. And then to cover the ends, I'm going to be using a high coverage foundation. For the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. This is like my favorite foundation of all time right now. I cannot get enough. And for concealer, I'm using my MAC 24 Hour Concealer. Taking a tinier brush, I'm going to go ahead and just powder over the places that I put concealer for the most part, and anywhere that I tend to crease. For blush, I'm taking this super old Makeup Geek blush that I have. It is kind of purple, but it goes on pink. And I'm just going to be placing that on almost like a bronzer because she has a very dramatic pink look. And then I'm going to go into the eyes. So I'm using the Fenty eye primer. And then I'm going to dive into the Anastasia and Alyssa Edwards palette, using the hot pink shade on my crease and the inner portion of my eye first, and then blending it out a little bit on the outer portion of the eye. This look is pretty dramatic, so I'm going to smoke that out as much as possible. And then I'm going to be taking the P. Louise Basic, and I can't remember the name of this, but it is the light pink shade, and I'm going to be cutting out kind of a halo eye situation. And over top of that, I'm going to use Sugar Pill's Ghosted Pigment. This has a really pretty pink shift to it. Going into the Colored Rain Vivid Pigment palette, I'm going to be taking the purple shade and kind of doing my eyebrows here. She has a really funky eyebrow shape, and I've seen a few other makeup artists recreate this look and do different shapes, so look at some reference photos and decide which shape you want to do. I'm going with a kind of smaller, pointy eyebrow. Next, I'm going to take a purple body paint, and I'm going to carve out this shape that she has going on. I think this is usually her eyebrow, but I'm just taking that element and using it as some eyeshadow, or a portion of the eyeshadow. I'm also taking a baby pink body paint, and I'm going to be creating a big old wing with this. I kind of didn't love the way that it looked either, so I went ahead and went in with another P. Louise in a hot pink shade, and kind of did an ombre effect with it. Lining my waterline with the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner pencil in the shade Jilted, and then smoking that out with that hot pink shade from the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette. Using the Urban Decay Perversion liquid liner, I'm creating a new inner corner, and I'm also lining the top of my lash line so that I can hide my lashes easier. Going in with that pastel purple body paint again, I'm going to create the other shape that's on her cheek. And I'm just freehanding this. If you don't feel confident just going straight in, I was a little scared myself. I would recommend that you kind of sketch this out first with like a white eyeliner pencil or something really light and easy to remove. in case they're not exactly even. I don't think mine were even at the end of this. Off camera, I went ahead and added my lashes, and now I'm going to highlight using Pillow Talk from Ofra. I do have a discount code if you're interested. I'll leave it linked down below. I'm also adding that shade to my inner corner and tapping over my cheeks with some glitter from Makeup Forever. For lips, I'm taking this hot pink liquid lip from Time Los Angeles. And once I have it pretty much applied, I take my finger and just dab over the top of it. I find that makes it sit better on my lips. Also adding some of that Pillow Talk highlighter to my neck and chest and shoulders for some glow. Next up is my wig, and please ignore this tattoo I was trying to get off. Nothing would take it off, not even rubbing alcohol, so it's here to stay. I did finally get it off though. This was filmed a few months ago. Anyways, this wig was originally worn in my Snot Girl look from a couple years ago. Who remembers? I just cut it up a little bit and styled it a little different for this look. But that is it, so let's move on to the costume. So PIZZAZZ wears animal print, and so I just found everything zebra that I could find. She's very pink and green, so I found pink zebra top and this green belt from Target that matched perfectly. She also wears one neon green sock, only one, and then I found these neon green little platform heels as well. And that's pretty much it for this PIZZAZZ costume. Maybe next year I can do gem. If you want to see a gem tutorial, let me know in the comments, but that's pretty much it. That's going to be it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me turn myself into PIZZAZZ from Gem and the Holograms. So happy I was able to bring Gem and the Holograms to my channel this year. It's a huge request every single year, and I want to do something different because a lot of people have done Gem. Nobody's done PIZZAZZ. I feel like nobody's done PIZZAZZ, so here we are. Only got one green contact in, but here we are. Don't forget to check out all my ASHTOBERFEST playlists down below from years past as well as this year. And also enter the giveaway on Instagram. Don't forget to check the description box on how to do so. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!